Kwanzaa Review and Renewal. What a time we had celebrating Kwanzaa this week. Let's take a moment to review the things that we covered. On the first day of Kwanzaa, Umoja, we talked about the history and significance of Kwanzaa and Kwanzaa, a cultural celebration of African American heritage. On the second day, Kujichagulia, we discussed the Nguzo Saba and its importance in African American culture. In the video, The 7 Principles of Kwanzaa, Understanding the Meaning Behind the Holiday Traditions. On the third day, Ujamaa, we explored how Kwanzaa is a time for people to come together and celebrate our culture, while also remembering the struggles and achievements of our ancestors. In Kwanzaa, honoring our ancestors and connecting with our community. On the fourth day, Ujamaa, we talked about the role of food in family gatherings and shared some tasty recipes. In Kwanzaa, recipes, traditional dishes to enjoy during the celebration. On day 5, Nia, we walked you through how to set up your own Kinara in a step-by-step tutorial in The Ultimate Guide to Setting Up a Kwanzaa Kinara. On the 6th day, Kuumba, we shared some ideas on how to express your creativity in Kwanzaa crafts, fun and educational activities for kids and adults. On the final day of Kwanzaa, Imani, we focus on renewal. We are reminded of the African proverb that states, when a home is burnt down, the rebuilt home is more beautiful. May 2023 be a year in which you surrender to the ebbs and flows of life, because everything works in your favor. Now join us for a short candle lighting ceremony on this final day of Kwanzaa. Imani.
Abariani.
Imani.
Imani means faith. Imani's reflection is, you must act as if it is impossible to fail.
Harambe, 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 Harambe.
If you want to learn more about Kwanzaa, Black history, or your energy, check out our workbooks and guides at cmarepress.com.